Okay, here we go. iMovie Part 3. This is some advanced new options inside of iMovie for the iPad on iOS 7. So this would be things like picture-in-picture and some additional things that you can do to these particular video clips that you weren't allowed to do before. So inside this video here, I might want to add some other video options to this. So I'm going to select a video that I want to add up here to deal with this baseball player during this newscast. So I select the video up here, and I can drag these little yellow bars to the location I want it to be. And once I've done that, I can insert it right now, or I can hit the play button, just kind of depending on what I want to have take place. If I don't want to do those two things, I can choose the three dots and get some extra things that I can do to this particular video. The first one here is the little wavelengths, and that would strip the audio out of this video clip and simply put the audio in here. Well, I don't want to do that, but you could if you just want the audio. Maybe it's an interview with somebody and you just want that audio. You can do that. The other one is an overlay. And so I'm going to choose this option so you can see what it looks like. What it does is it puts this video clip in on top of this other one. Okay, so it's a video overlay, and I'm going to trim this top one down a little bit so you can have a better understanding of maybe what's taking place here. So what would take place is, as I play this video, these two newscasters are talking, and as they're talking, it cuts away to clips of a baseball game, but they're still talking in the background without me doing any advanced editing. And then when the video clip gets done of the baseball players, it just keeps on going with the video that's in here. So this is great for interview type settings where you can overlay another video on top of one without messing up the video below. So that's what that feature does. The other feature, I'm going to get rid of this one and do the same thing here. So I'm going to select some baseball footage here again. And if I click on the three little dots, I also have a picture-in-picture option. And so I will insert that down here next to this guy. Okay, so I'm choosing this little picture-in-picture option right here, and it will insert this video clip in above this other video again. And notice what happens when I go over it. Now I have a picture-in-picture type of option just like you would normally have in a newscast type of situation. Now, I'm blocking this guy's head. That's a problem. Remember, anything you want to do to a video clip, just tap on it once. So this is the video clip, that's the overlay. I tap on it once, and then I have some options up here. I can move it around or I can zoom in on that video clip. So I'm going to click the four arrows, and then once I do that, I can pinch it to make it smaller, press and hold to move it around, and so I can move this wherever I think is the appropriate place for this video, and I might put it right up there. And then I can watch this video clip back. You notice that it's not in there, no picture-in-picture. Just like in a newscast, it comes up and it's showing the baseball players playing as he is talking about them. So a great little feature there that you can add to your videos. The last option in here, if I was to select one of these, is a side-by-side screen cut. So I'm actually going to go back here and grab this similar video. And if I click the three little dots, I have a split screen option. So I'm going to choose that. Oh, I was trying to put it in on top of one already. Can't do that. Can't have two of them. So picture-in-picture, and then I have a split screen. So notice I have the newscaster on this side, and then I have the baseball player on this side. Again, if you want to adjust something about the video, tap on it once. So I have this right here, and then I can zoom in or move around on this to find out where I want that player to be. And I can do the same thing on the other side. And I can move them from one side to the other, so I can choose. So that is how you can kind of add some additional fun features to your movie, which could be very valuable depending on what type of video you're creating. So tap once on these, tap the three little dots to get more options. And then again, if you want to edit something about the video, tap on it once down here in the timeline to get all of your edit options.